Hi everyone, welcome to your Spanish lesson online. Welcome to Spanish with Laura. I am Laura and I am here to help you to learn Spanish. In today's lesson, we are going to study how to use the verb ser and estar in Spanish. Okay, those verbs are very challenging verbs in Spanish, but we are gonna try to learn them, memorize them, and use them properly. The verb ser has different conjugation for each person, which means yo soy, tú eres, él o ella es, nosotros somos, ustedes son y ellos son. This verb is irregular. Has different conjugation for each person. Almost the same happened to the verb estar. The differences is that the verb estar has yo estoy, which is different, but the rest is tú estás, él o ella está, nosotros estamos, ustedes están y ellos están. This verb is irregular, but is a little bit regular. Now, we will see the different uses of the verb ser and the verb estar. Well, the verb ser is used to talk about permanent qualities, so it's never going to change, of people, animals, and things. And the verb estar is used to talk about temporal states. It might change. So, we use the verb ser to identify and define. For example, ella es Daniela. Ella es mi hermana pequeña. We also use it to describe characteristics of a person who does not change. For example, yo soy alta y morena. And to say the nationality and place of origin. For example, yo soy colombiana, soy de Colombia. We use the verb estar to describe physical states of a person. For example, él está gordo o ella está delgada. Also to talk about the moods. Estoy feliz o ellos están enfermos. And to indicate the marital status. Estoy soltera o estoy casada. We also use the verb ser to describe qualities of a thing or a place. For example, la mesa es cuadrada o la ciudad es muy bonita. And to talk about the material things are made of and the possession. So, la mesa es de madera, la mesa es mía o la mesa es de él. Instead, we use the verb estar to describe temporal state of a thing or a place. For example, el teléfono está sonando o la ropa está sucia. And to talk about body posture. For example, la mujer está acostada o yo estoy sentada. We also use the verb ser to talk about a person profession. For example, yo soy profesora, pero también soy diseñadora. And also to tell the time. Son las 3 de la tarde. For the date, 2. Hoy es viernes 15 de mayo del 2020. And to refer to a period of time. Es de día, no es de noche, es de día. we can use the verb estar to locate in the space. For example, ¿dónde estás? Yo estoy en mi casa. O ¿está al norte o al sur? Estás a 2 cuadras. O está a 5 minutos a pie. However, we use the verb SER to locate events. For example, el concierto es en el teatro. O la fiesta es en un restaurante. Now, I'm going to introduce myself using everything we learned. Soy Laura, soy colombiana, no estoy casada, soy profesora de español y estoy feliz de enseñarte. Hoy es un lindo día y estoy sentada en mi casa. Now, if you memorize the different conjugation of the verbs and the different uses of them, you will be able to use them properly. Well, I hope this lesson was very useful to you. If you like the lesson, please subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Adiós amigos.